Hi, today we concern with how to make 0.5 McFarland turbidity standard without using of sulfuric acid and barium chloride. So here we have McFarland Densitometer, Bacterial growth culture plate, Physiological saline, Inoculating loop, Bunsen burner and accessories. So let's watch. Here we have two physiological saline tube. At beginning, the standard 0.0, here you can see, of the densitometer. 124 blank setup, that is 0.0. Turbidity standard. So we will make 0.5 concentration standard in this tube, okay, and we have already measured its density, that was 0. So just touch 3 to 5 similar well isolated clonies from this plate and mix as shown here. You can mix manually like that or using vortex mixer for uniform suspension, okay. So now let's, wow, this is our required concentration. If turbidity standard higher than 8, physiological saline, and then mix as previously. Here you can see this is our required 0.5 McFarland turbidity standard. If when the turbidity is less than 0.5, again add the clone as shown previously, and same process follow. So This is our 0.5 McFarland turbidity standard. In this way we can make. I hope this clip will be helpful. So please